Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to create faux wood grain look on bedside table. I already primed this bedside table. I applied first coat and let it dry completely. Now it's the fun part. I'm going to use this wood grain tool. Before using that wood grain tool, I have to apply another coat of paint. Now drag the wood grain tool over wet paint surface. Time to time, rock the tool to make knots. Here it is the finished look. It has a textured finish. If you don't want the textured finish, once it dry, you can slightly sand and make it smooth. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell icon.